Welcome back to my workspace. Thank you for taking time out today and thank you for joining in. For the past few days, we've been opening brokerage accounts, each one for each industry that we believe in, that we believe is going to give us the uplift to build this generational wealth. Generational wealth is the core, is the goal of this channel for us to work together and to be together, to journey the journey together to build this generational wealth for ourselves and to the next generation. If this is your first time on this channel, if you have never subscribed to this channel, I would like you to join it. If this seems to be something you're interested in, to build a generational wealth for yourself and also for the next generation, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. I would like you to hit like. I would like you to share this video. In the past few days, we've been opening brokerage account, each one to be used for each industry that we believe in. Number one industry that we talk about the past few days is EV, the electric vehicles. And the second one is cryptocurrency. And the last but not the least is the cannabis. So those three accounts that we already opened, we are hoping, we are planning, and we schedule it to use each one for each industry so that we can see, we can contrast how well each industry is doing in our portfolio. This is the plan. That is the strategy. Now that we have opened all these accounts, it is very necessary for us. We have to, we have to fund this account. We have to fund this account. I am not saying it's going to be all the way just easy since you open the account that you will not make a sacrifice. Everything in life, everything you do, it takes sacrifice, especially if it's beneficial. If it's going to be a benefit to you, you're going to make a sacrifice. It's like opportunity cost. The cost of you watching this video right now is you not laying down in your bed or watching movies or being with friends out or being on a golf course or whatever it is that you can do apart from watching this video right now. It's opportunity cost. It cost us. The cost of me making this video is for me not to be in a restaurant eating or being on the beach or be with my friend out or whatever I can do apart from making this video. It's opportunity cost. It's going to cost us something. Sometimes it do cost us a little. Sometimes it do cost us a lot. But the guarantee is this: it's going to cost us something. So we have to fund our account. Since we have opened this account, we have to fund it. And let me say this: most of the time that we pay bills and most of the things that we do, we realize that somehow we are missing in the action. We are the one that makes that money. We are the one that make the sacrifice to go to work, to earn that paycheck. Then at the end of the day, we use all these paycheck to pay bills. And we are found missing in it. We are not paying ourselves. We are not there. We pay everybody else but us. So in 10, 20, 30 years, we realize what happened. I've made this much money, but I have nothing to show for it because we only focus on bills. And our bill, which is us as person, we didn't include ourselves as part of the bill. We are billed too. We have to pay ourselves. We're doing the job anyway, so we should pay ourselves. So this is my discussion on this video that we have to fund our brokerage account, which seems to me, which we can interpret as us paying ourselves. So we have to pay ourselves. I would like to connect and join this brokerage account with my account so that I can have easy access to transfer money into that account and I'll be able to buy the stocks and shares that I believe in. And when we do this transaction, I will encourage us. I will really encourage us, including myself. I do the same thing too. It has to be a recurring transaction. Recurring transaction, which means we don't have to be there. We have to set it up that it happened automatically. It happened automatically. So that way, we will not forget to pay ourselves. We will not forget to pay ourselves. We never forget to pay everybody else. So we shouldn't forget to pay ourselves. As a matter of fact, instead of us paying everybody first, I would think it's a good idea if we pay ourselves first. So make it a recurring transaction that Automatically, it just happened. You set it up like that. So the main focus of this video today is to say, since we have opened all the brokerage account now, it is now left for us to fund it so that we can start going ahead and buying all these shares and stocks. So give me a few minutes, join me as I connect my own account that I've set up, that I've opened to fund it. Hold on, not yet. We have to make sure that at least once a week or once a month or bi-weekly, whatever we want to set it up, we have to make sure we set it up that way. Now, join me and see how I'm going to make and fund my own account, and hopefully you will do yours too. This time around, I'm using the Webull account that we opened. Once you log into the account, this is what you get. It gives you the options to do whatever you want to do, whatever it is that you're trying to do, deposit or withdraw or transfer stock or transfer out, the history, the investment and all that. This is all you first going to see. And in our case, I'm trying to make a deposit. So that's what I'm trying to do, trying to make a deposit. So you click on this deposit button, then it says asking you to start setting up your deposit. Like, go ahead and hit set up now. And here it's requiring me to put in the password. Asking to set up a trading password. I say yes. So confirm it again. I hit next. Okay, so it's gonna ask me for personal security questions. So once you fill all the information out, the questions and the answers out, you hit done. So it said password successful. Setting trading password is successful. So it said go back to the account. Let's see what it said, what it does. Let's try and make the deposit again. Verify. Okay, there you go. So now we can go ahead and connect connect our account to this account. Okay, so before we proceed, we have to accept the terms, and we can click on get started to link our account to it. Get started. So it's asking me to choose the bank. Which bank am I going to be using? In my case, I'm going to be using Bank of America. Then it's asking me account details. Okay, so I'm going to put my account details right here, my account details. So we're going to say continue, hit continue with it. I'm going to have to get the code in order for me to be able to continue. Okay, I just got the code. So I'm going to hit submit to submit it. That's it. Then it said verification success. So I've been able to connect my thing. So now that I've connected my account to it, I can now decide how much I want to put in the account. So I've been able to successfully link my back account to my brokerage account. Successfully link my back account to my brokerage account. So in this case, I'm just gonna go ahead and just deposit, maybe let's say $100. Um, Let me see, $100, and I hit deposit, and I click check to confirm it. So this is it right here for my account, $100 to my new brokerage account, and it's asking me to agree and confirm. So I hit confirm. Okay, okay. Let me see what is is. So I've been able to successfully link it, but I've used this account for another brokerage account. So there might be a conflict in it, but I've able to successfully link the two accounts, and I should be able to just transfer. That's all you have to do. Just link it together and transfer the amount that you want to transfer. So we've been able to do that, and I hope you find it easy to be able to do that also, and for you to be able to fund your brokerage account. Once we do that, then we start working on those industry ticker symbol for those companies that we can use to purchase and buy all the stocks that we want. So in conclusion, we have to remember that we are responsible to take charge of our destiny. Whatever we do depends on us. We are in charge. We should take charge. Nobody is responsible for what we do or what we don't do. We are the one that is responsible for it. This is a beginning to start building a generational wealth. We have been able to link our account. We have been able to link to open a brokerage account. Now, what we do with it, it depends on us. It is our responsibility to take charge of our life, of our destiny. We need to write our own history. We need to write our own story. I encourage us to do the best that we can. As we begin to build this generational wealth, it's going to require some sacrifice. In conclusion, it's going to require some sacrifice. It's going to cost us a little bit, maybe sometimes more. But if we determine, if we determine to do it, we will do it. Pay yourself. Care about yourself. As you pay other bills, pay yourself also. Thank you for watching. Thank you for taking time out today. Until I see you in the next video. Thank you and have a wonderful day.